One of the things I want you guys to begin tinkering with is actually writing some code, and I'm going to show you a few basic activities here to do using the samples from Chapter 2. I still want you to use the float, but I also kind of want you to teach a little bit of Java as well. Again, this is not a full-on programming class. This is just an introduction, so these are going to be pretty basic. The application I want you to use is Eclipse. You could also use NetBeans if you wanted to. That's the one I use in my classroom, but Eclipse is free also, so is NetBeans, and it's a good application. It's free and costs nothing. So you can go see where it says Get Eclipse Neon, and then download. And then once you do, go ahead and click on here. It should figure out what kind of computer you have. It works on just about everything. In fact, I even think there's a Linux version of it. So depending on what you're running, shouldn't be an issue. The only time I think you'd have a problem is if a Chromebook won't run on Chromebook. So when you go to download it, the application will begin to download, and then there'll probably be an installation window that will pop up. But it's also likely on your computer you do not have Java installed on it. And even if you have the regular old Java download, which you may or may not have on your computer, you're going to have this, and then you're also going to have the software development kit. So in order to find that, you're going to have to go up here under Java, and then Java SDK. And then when you do, you'll see there are some that will come up, and you want the one that's 8. And then you pick which computer that you have. So here it's for Linux, here's for your Mac OS. You probably don't have a Solaris workstation. You probably have Windows 64-bit. It's unlikely that you have the x86. But this is the one that you'll download. So as you do, it's going to download. It's going to pop up right here on your screen. You got to have the software development kit. Otherwise, you can't install Eclipse. It just won't run. So that's the first process. Once you have both of those things done there, you should be able to open up Eclipse and begin to start working on a new document. So go ahead and do that, and then my next video will show you how to get started with Eclipse.